This video takes us through an early look at the brand new DJI Osmo Nano, which is being presented as the true successor to the DJI Action 2. The aim is to walk viewers through everything that makes this little device special, from its design and features to the vision dock, image quality, shooting modes, and even its battery life. And for anyone interested in learning more or purchasing, all the relevant links are placed in the video description. At first glance, the most striking thing about the Osmo Nano is its size. It's unbelievably small, roughly the size of a thumb, and it only weighs 52 grams. To put that into perspective, the DJI Action 5 Pro is almost 3 times heavier at 146 grams. This featherlight design means it can be mounted almost anywhere without weighing things down, whether it's on a helmet, a cap, or even a thin surface. Adding to its versatility, it has magnets on both the back and the side, making it stick easily to metal surfaces. Despite being so tiny, it still has thoughtful touches like a removable lens, which makes replacement easy if it ever gets scratched. On the top, a single record button powers it on and starts recording instantly, with a reassuring beep and red light confirming it's rolling. Storage-wise, the camera comes in 64GB and 128GB versions, with enough room for 85 minutes or nearly 3 hours of 4K video, respectively. There's a magnetic lanyard pendant that lets you wear the camera around your neck for point-of-view shots, a magnetic hat clip for easy cap mounting, and even a suction cup stand with a ball head to place it on tables or car windows. But the real highlight is the multifunctional vision dock, which attaches magnetically and locks in securely. This accessory brings an OLED HD touchscreen that lets you preview shots, adjust recording settings, and even flip the screen to face you while vlogging, all without adding bulk. Settings chosen here stick with the camera even when the dock is removed. The dock can also be detached and used as a remote monitor, giving more flexibility. Though playback when detached isn't available, yet it's expected in a future firmware update. The dock also expands storage with its microSD slot and even allows direct file transfers from internal storage. It shoots up to 4K at 60 frames per second. For slow motion, it can even capture 4K at 120 frames per second, including a ready-to-use standard 10-bit and a flat D-Log-M option for those who prefer color grading. Photos can be taken at up to 35 megapixels in either JPEG or RAW. Battery life is another strong point. On its own, the camera lasts about 90 minutes, but with the vision dock, it extends to more than 3 hours. Fast charging is also supported. Both the camera and dock can reach 80% in just 20 minutes. For convenience, it connects to the DJI Mimo app, enabling full remote control, live preview, and quick access to settings. The Osmo Nano itself is waterproof up to 10 meters, although the vision dock is only splash resistant. Audio is handled by inbuilt microphones with 2 wind reduction levels, and it's fully compatible with DJI's wireless mics, which connect directly without needing an external receiver. When it comes to price, DJI has kept things fairly straightforward, with 2 versions of the Osmo Nano. The base model with 64GB of storage is set at around $399, while the larger 128GB version comes in at about $429. This pricing puts it in the same range as other premium action cameras, but considering its tiny size, the powerful sensor, and the extra functionality of the vision dock, it feels like a solid value for creators who want portability without giving up on professional quality features. So, that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe to us for more. Thanks for watching.